Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video for your English vocab listening practice. In today's story, we are going to hear a very natural conversation inside a busy restaurant. Two friends, Ken and Mina, are having a lovely dinner together, but a small accident is about to happen at their table. You will hear how they handle a messy emergency, talk with the restaurant staff, and learn a helpful lesson about dining culture. The English used here is simple, slow, and very friendly, so please just relax and enjoy the story. I have a little question for you to think about. What specific drink does Mina accidentally spill on the table? If you find the answer, please share it in the comments below. Writing your answer in English is a wonderful way to practice and improve your skills every day. All right, let's get the story started. Are you ready to listen? Great, let's begin.
This restaurant is really nice, Mina. The food smells amazing.
Yes, I love the music here too. It is a very happy place.
I'm glad you like it. Your chip looks delicious. Can I try one?
Of course. Here, you can take this big one.
Thank you. Oh, wait, your sleeve.
Oh no.
Watch out for your glass.
Oh, the orange juice. It is falling.
Oh no! Look at the table! The juice is everywhere.
It is okay, Mina. Stay calm.
I am so sorry. The glass just tipped over. My sleeve caught the edge.
It is an accident. It happens.
Look at the white tablecloth. It's turning completely orange.
Yes, the puddle is spreading very fast.
It's dripping. It's going toward the edge of the table.
Oh, you are right. It is moving toward my jeans.
I feel so bad. This is a big mess.
Do not worry about my jeans. Let's stop the liquid first.
What should we do? The juice is everywhere.
Wait, I have some paper tissues in my bag. Small pocket tissues.
Mina, I do not think those will work.
Let me try. I can stop it. Russell's paper. See? I'm putting them on the juice.
Mina, look. The tissues are too small. They are completely wet now.
Oh no, the paper is breaking apart. Now we have wet paper pieces in the juice.
Yes, it is creating a bigger mess. Stop, Mina. Do not use those.
Everyone is looking at me, Ken. I am turning so red. I ruined the table.
No one is angry, Mina. We just need real help.
How do I ask for help in English? I don't know what to say.
You don't need complex words. Just watch me. Look, I am using my dry cloth napkin. I am pressing it against the edge.
Oh, good idea. Is it stopping the juice?
Yes, it is stopping the puddle from reaching my jeans, but my napkin is full now.
I feel so terrible. I'm just sitting here.
Do not feel bad. You did not do it on purpose.
I'm still worried. Look, the paper menus. They're completely soaked.
The menus do not matter, Mina. We can get new ones.
Look, there's a waitress near the kitchen. She's looking at our table.
Great. I am raising my hand now. Excuse me.
Did she see you?
Yes, she is walking over here right now. See? Help is coming.
Oh dear, do not worry at all. Accidents happen every day.
I am so sorry. I am really, really sorry.
Please do not feel bad. It is truly no problem. I have heavy-duty towels right here.
Thank you so much. The juice spreads very fast.
Yes, orange juice is very sticky, but these clean cloth towels will soak it up quickly.
I'm so glad you came. I tried to use my small tissues.
Oh, small pocket tissues cannot handle a big glass of juice. You need these big towels.
I see that now. It made a bigger mess.
Do not worry about it. Look, the towels are soaking up most of the liquid now.
You are very fast. Thank you.
You are welcome. But we have a small challenge here. The orange juice went completely under your food plates. The wood underneath is very wet.
Oh no, are the plates dirty now?
The plates are fine, but the table surface is soaked. I need to clear the plates for a moment.
Of course, that makes sense.
I will move your plates to my tray here, then I can wipe the wood underneath.
Oh, let me move my hands. I'm in the way.
It is okay. I will take this plate first and then the chip plate.
I feel so clumsy. The food looks sad now.
The food is still hot, Mina. She just needs to clean the wood.
Exactly. I will be very quick, I promise.
Let me stand up. I want to give you more room to clean.
Oh, thank you. That is very helpful.
I am so sorry for the trouble. I feel so bad about the tablecloth and the menus.
Please stop apologizing. It is really no problem. Restaurants have hundreds of tablecloths.
Really? Will I need to pay extra money for the cleaning?
Oh, absolutely not. We never charge guests for accidents. Do not worry about that at all.
See, Mina, I told you it is okay.
Yes, but I was so nervous. My thought bubble was full of worry.
Do not be nervous. You are our guest. We want you to enjoy your dinner.
Thank you. You are very kind.
There we go. I am wiping the last corner of the wood now.
Wow, the table looks totally dry now.
Yes, now I will put down these fresh, clean napkins for you.
Thank you. The table looks brand new.
You are very welcome. And let me take these wet, soaked paper menus away.
Do we need to order more food later?
Do not worry. I will bring you fresh menu sheets in just a minute.
And what about my drink?
I will bring you a fresh glass of orange juice right away. On the house.
On the house? What does that mean? It means it's free, Mina. The restaurant pays for it.
Oh, that is amazingly kind. Thank you so much.
Here are your plates back. The table is clean and dry. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you so much for your help.
Yes, thank you. Whew. Okay, I am sitting down again.
How do you feel now, Mina?
I feel much better. Wow, my heart was beating so fast.
You were very worried. I could see it in your face.
Yes, I was terrified. In my head, I thought, everyone is looking at me. I ruined the night.
But look around. Nobody is looking at us. Everyone is just eating their dinner.
You are right. It was a big emergency in my mind, but it is a very small problem now.
Exactly. It took the waitress less than 5 minutes to fix everything.
I am really happy she was so nice. But Ken, I have a confession.
A confession? What is it?
In my head, my beginner thought bubble was completely crazy.
Really? What were you thinking?
Well, first, I thought I sounded like a little child because I did not know the right words to say.
You did not sound like a child. You just said, "I am so sorry." That is perfect English.
And I really thought they would charge me extra money for the wet tablecloth and the ruined paper menus.
Ah, the cleaning fee. I understand why you worried about that.
Yes, in some places, when you break or ruin something, you must pay for it.
That is true, but usually not in restaurants here. It was just a sticky puddle, not a crime. That brings up a good point about Western restaurant culture.
Really? What do you mean?
In places like London, accidental spills are viewed very leniently. The staff expect it to happen.
Leniently? That means they are not strict or angry.
Exactly. It means they are gentle and understanding. They are trained to reassure you immediately.
Reassure?
Yes, to make you feel safe and comfortable so you stop worrying. Their goal is to minimize your embarrassment.
Wow, the waitress did exactly that. When she said, "Accidents happen every day," I felt so much relief.
Yes, and you are almost never charged for broken glass or spilled drinks. It's just part of running a business.
That is a very comforting culture. I like it a lot. I learned a really big lesson today, Ken.
Oh yeah. What is the lesson?
Staying calm is the most important thing, and letting the professional staff handle the cleanup is much better.
Yes, absolutely. They have heavy-duty tools for these messes.
Exactly. My small pocket tissues were a big mistake. Next time, I will not try to fix a giant spill with a tiny piece of paper.
That is a good plan. You just need to alert the staff right away.
Yes, and speaking English in an emergency is not as hard as I thought.
You did great. You just need to say, "I am so sorry. I spilled my drink." That is all that is required to get help.
It is true. Mistakes happen to everyone, even native speakers.
Definitely. Now that the table is clean, are you ready to continue our dinner?
Yes, I am very ready. I am actually quite hungry again after all that excitement.
Me too. And look, the waitress just put down your fresh glass of orange juice.
Oh, wonderful. It looks cold and delicious.
Now we can finally finish our main food, but we must save some room.
Save some room? For what?
For the next stage of our dining experience, of course, we need to explore the dessert menu.
Oh, dessert! Yes, please. I love sweet things. I promise to keep my sleeves far away from this glass.
Good plan, Mina. Let us enjoy the rest of our evening.
How was that? I hope you enjoyed our restaurant story. I really hope this story helped you feel more comfortable with English and helped you learn some useful phrases. Now, let's look at the question from the beginning one more time. Do you remember? What specific drink does Mina accidentally spill on the table? Did you hear the answer in the conversation? If you did, please go ahead and write your answer in the comments section. Practicing your English by writing is one of the best ways to improve quickly. On this channel, I share many stories in slow and easy English with phrases you can use every day. I will keep making videos like this for you, so if you liked this one, please subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to give this video a like and leave a friendly comment. I also recently started Super Thanks. If you'd like to support the channel, I would truly appreciate your kindness. All right, that is all for today. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye-bye.